Hey everybody, it's Parker again with another video. Just really the demonstration of the Cooling's volume price analysis indicator that I put out yesterday. And this is the site LGVN. And as you can see, it really worked well on this stock. Let me get rid of, I'll get rid of those things. So we just have the indicator and VWAP. I added these three lines. It just gives you five look back periods for the actual indicator. As you can see, those are the prices. No, those are the highs and the lows of the candles. Highs on the bearish ones, lows on the bullish ones. And look at how I really paid attention to all of it. It couldn't break above this one, came back down to this area of the bullish candle previously, this one right here, and it kind of consolidated, broke down below, created another bearish irregular body, but it held it, it got above it, created support, broke above this one, broke above this area, and broke above this one as well, and it finally shot up from there. But it had to get a lot of high volume as well. Even when it came for the pullback, it pulled back right back to this area right here where you could have got in. Even though it made this bullish, embarrassed irregular body, it still consolidated. And you can see with all this volume made another bullish irregular body as well. Broke above it, came in this area as well, and broke above that resistance. And now this resistance right now should be support. Let's push it all the way down to the 1 minute, and you're going to get a lot more signals, but it could be a lot more helpful as well to find those small areas of support and resistance. As I told you before, the gray areas are past irregular bodies, and the yellow areas is past irregular bodies, areas of resistance. So that's exactly what it did. Like I said, this can be used on all time frames. And that's exactly what it did on this 1 minute. It came down here, it hit VWAP, made a bullish irregular body, that became support, came back up here, retested resistance, came back down, retested resistance, finally broke above it, and it has two areas of support right here from the indicator. So let's push it to the 15 minute and let's see what we got. You had a lot of resistance in this area, and once it finally broke above, all this resistance became support, and now you're handling with this resistance right here at 34.48, and that came from the prior day. And this is the power of this indicator. It's showing you everything. All this resistance is over here came from here, and it pushed over. And you can see all that because you could have waited till it got in over here at 22.74 once it broke, or you could have got in over here from the prior days of support at 18. And now let's push it out on the actual day. You don't have anything in this area, and I think that's going to be max available. So yeah. And let's push it to the 4-hour chart and see what we have. Did we get anything? Nope, didn't get anything on a 4-hour chart either. But once again, this is a quick recap of the volume price analysis from Ann Cooling's book, Volume Price Analysis. And this is the indicator. It's a 2-package deal. You get the top one and you get the bottom one. The bottom one displays all these different colors. You get the bright green for above average volume. You get the magenta for irregular body that's above average. You get the light green for lower than average volume. And you get the bright red for above average volume for a bullish candle. And you get a plum for below average irregular body, and you get a dark blue one for a below average bullish irregular body. And let's push it back to the 5-minute. And let's see what it's doing. And price is just sitting right up there. Sitting right up there on that end, sitting right there on that area of support. And we'll push it back to the 15. It needs to break above this resistance right here at 34.48, which is really 35 if you ask me. And that's all this is. That's psychological support and resistance 35, but the indicator found it from yesterday. So we're going to push it back to the 5-minute. And that's what we're dealing with today. And let's push it back to the prior day. Well, this is actually Monday. And it worked really good Monday as well. Look at that. Look at all of that support. It just built up and then just ran. So and we're gonna watch it just for a moment. And I really am interested to see if it's gonna break above that, but it's sitting right there really nice on that support area. You can cut these bubbles off too if you want to. Once if you buy the indicator, and these other lines you can cut those off as well. But yeah, these are some of the settings for it. You can go with. I'm going with the above average. If you go with the original version, you're gonna get a lot of more signals, and it's gonna go for every irregular body. On the 1 minute, I think it'll be crazy. Yeah, on the 1 minute, it kind of was crazy, but it found this one. Remember I told you it's a plum or dark purple candle with lower than above average volume, but it's an irregular body because this body is smaller than the one preceding it. The one before it. And it looks like it's breaking down on a 1 minute. So let's see what it shows on a 5-minute. Hopefully it holds right there at 3160. Yeah, 3161. If it doesn't, you got 3115 and then 30. Well, actually, I would say $30 is psychological support. But you don't have a lot of volume. This is like it's lunchtime, so you're not getting a whole bunch of volume. Somebody asked about this sideways indicator. All it does is shows you the market times. Like over here, you got pre-market open, and you got 5 minutes for those you like using the open range breakouts. You got open 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, lunch, and I do 12 and. Well, I guess I gotta push it back so you can see the other time periods for this one. Well, you got 1 o'clock power hour close, and with this one you should have got the. I don't know why it's not showing the one for after hours close, but anyway, that's the sideways indicator. I had somebody ask about it, but if you want that one, just shoot me an email or comment in the on this video. You can get it for free, or I might just put it on in the description. It's free, so you can download. Thanks again. This is Parker. If you like the indicator, or you like what I had to say, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe. If you didn't like it, hey, give me some comments. Let me know where I can improve. I'm always open to constructive criticism. Y'all have a great day, and I wish y'all best of luck, traders.